go right. Person on the left go left. All the way in front of you. This time, person on the right go left. Person on the left go right. Follow the person in front of you. This time, first couple go left, couple go right, alternate couple. Another couple, come up as four. Couple on the right go left, couple on the left go right. Face your partner and honor your partners all. If you are not our partner, join hands with the people on either side of you. That's called joining hands in long lines. In these long lines, we're going to go forward and back. It's forward, 2, 3, 4, back, 2, 3, 4. Now drop hands and trade places. Walk straight forward, passing right shoulders, turn around the face. That's called a pass through. Join hands in long lines and go forward and back. Long lines, forward and back. Pass through, trade places. Face your partner, go forward and back. Pass through. Top couple, sashay down. Sashay back. Everyone, face up. Top couple, separate.
Faster.
So when the music starts, we're going to go into the center and back. Everybody into the center. Do it again. I couldn't hear you that time. Circle left around that ring. Keep circling. Back to the right. Get way back. Into the center. Here we go. Do it again. Let's hear ya. Circle left around that ring. Back to the right. Get her way back. Into the center with a great big shout. One more time. Let's hear you this time. Circle left. This time, keep circling. Hold on tight. Don't let go. Spread out as much as you can. Don't let go. Let go. You okay?